Is your laptop not holding charge or not charging at all? Today we will show you how to replace and fix laptop batteries step by step. You need a battery replacement if your laptop drains too quickly, won't hold charge, or shuts down unexpectedly. For removable batteries, power off, unplug charger, slide out the old battery, and insert the new one. For non-removable batteries, unscrew the back panel, disconnect the battery cable, replace with a new one, and reconnect. Now power on your laptop and check the charging status. Your new battery is ready to use. Check your charger, clean the charging port, update battery drivers, or try another adapter. To fix laptop batteries, calibrate the full charge and drain, update drivers, check BIOS power settings, or replace if old or swollen. That's how you replace, repair, and fix laptop battery problems.